Yo, what up, guys? Called to this location. They said they had some mini mags, so gonna go see what they got.
Oh, okay. Can you get anything else or just the limits on the 22?
It's just the limit on 22.
Oh, okay. I want to get 2 boxes of the ZQI 762.
Anything else for you?
Nah, I think that'll be it.
Yo, what up, YouTube? Sniff Money here. Just coming out of Walmart, checking out. I'm at a different location I don't usually go to. It's about 30 minutes away from me. But I saw some mini mags popping up on the app, so I called up and they said they still had some. So rode up and went and got those. You can see the tag. And they also had a bunch of the ZQI 762 by 51. So I picked up a couple boxes of that. Picked up an ammo can. And that's about it. Here's the tags, tickets, whatever you want to call them. It's 11:03, about lunchtime. They still had probably about 12 more mini mags, and like I said, a bunch of ZQI. They had some a lot of fun size boxes. They had the CCI Quiet, CCI Standard, and the American Eagle Federal 50 round fun size boxes. So they had quite a bit of 22 left, a bunch of fun size, and about 12 more mini mags. So picked up what I could, tried to get 6. She don't let me have 3, so I got my 3 and got the hell out of there. So that's the take for today. All right, guys, keep getting what you can get while you can. Stay safe, play it straight. 1.